Hey, Logan, what day is it? Like March 6th?
March 5th.
Yeah. Well, let's go see this black diamond and show Uncle Hector and Uncle Lucky. Hello, buddy.
I can't.
No, just do like you did last time. Take your time. Not too fast.
Ready?
Okay, go. All right, good job. Logan, you did a really good job. How do you feel?
Good.
Are you happy? Okay, bye-bye, little buddy.